Well, let's start. Okay, I'm sending you a photocopy of the question set on grammar, right? You have to write down the questions, then answer them carefully. Okay, so wait for the question set. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of the verbs given in brackets. Last night, Ohik's grandfather complained, COMPLAINED, complained of severe chest pains. The doctor was called in, but the patient had died before his arrival. The tragedy caught the whole family unawares. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and prepositions. The Macmillan English Dictionary is the product of good linguistic data, leading-edge software, and a coherent learner-based philosophy. While technology plays a major part, dictionaries are not written by computers but by highly skilled editors. It has been a privilege to work with such a talented and creative team of lexicographers. Question 3. Do as directed. Who sent the message? Voice change. Who was the message sent by? Informal. Or by whom was the message sent? Formal. I know that he is an honest man. Simple. I know him to be an honest man. Next, we are waiting for your arrival. Use infinitive. We are waiting for you to arrive. 4. I regret the inconvenience caused to you by the delay. Complex. I regret the inconvenience that was caused to you by the delay. Replace the underlined verbs with phrasal verbs. Question number 4. 1. I met my classmate in the field. I came across my classmate in the field. The girl resembles her mother. The girl takes after her mother. Try to maintain the prestige of your family. Try to keep up the prestige of your family. 4. The train was detained for 2 hours. The train was held up for 2 hours. Now please note, the forms of phrasal verbs should agree with the forms of the underlined verbs. So always keep it in mind. Here are the words. You must look them up in the dictionary at home. Posthumous. 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 Containment. CONTAINMENT, containment. Pandemic, PANDEMIC. Deliberate, DELIBERATE. Incessant, INCESSANT. Procrastinate, PROCASTINATE. Prejudice, PREJUDICE. Privilege, PRIVILEGE. Privilege. Contend, CONTEND. Pestilence. Pestilence, PESTILENCE. Odor, ODOUR. I think you have got 10. If more than 10 or less than 10, no matter, you look them up in an English to English dictionary. In a good English to English dictionary. We shall talk about them in the next class. And bye for today. Stay safe and well. Okay, to see you in the next class.